a $2.5 million Ford GT crashes in California. High stakes and sudden impact, a high-performance Ford GT, valued at approximately $2.5 million, was severely damaged following a collision in Carmichael, California. The incident, which occurred on April 5 near the intersection of Winding Way and Manzanita Avenue, serves as a stark reminder of how quickly even the most elite machinery can be compromised. The incident, what we know while the exact sequence of events remains under investigation, video footage captured from a nearby intersection provides a glimpse into the accident. The Ford GT appeared to be traveling at a higher speed than the surrounding traffic when the incident unfolded. Several factors may have contributed to the crash. Potential collision. A van exiting a parking lot and merging into traffic may have made contact with the supercar. Driver reaction. Even without direct contact, the sudden presence of the van might have caused the driver to overcorrect or lose control. The footage shows the Ford GT losing traction and spinning clockwise before striking landscaping and concrete structures near the Winding Way apartments. The impact was violent enough to lift the vehicle into the air, tearing the door panel away and causing the car to spin in the opposite direction. Damage assessment and occupant safety. The visual evidence suggests the car sustained extensive damage. Although the video focuses on the driver's side, preliminary observations indicate that nearly every body panel appears affected. While the passenger door remained functional after the crash, the overall structural and mechanical integrity of the vehicle is likely compromised. Despite the severity of the impact, there is a positive outcome regarding human safety. Both occupants were transported to the hospital. Rapid emergency response. An ambulance was reportedly in the immediate vicinity at the time of the crash, which may have facilitated quicker medical intervention. The context of supercar accidents. This incident highlights a recurring theme in the world of high-performance automotive enthusiasts: the extreme difficulty of managing immense power in unpredictable, real-world environments. A vehicle like the Ford GT is engineered for precision and speed, often under optimal conditions. However, when introduced to suburban intersections, where merging vehicles and sudden obstacles are common, the margin for error becomes razor-thin. For a vehicle that recently changed hands for a multi-million-dollar sum, the financial and emotional loss is as significant as the physical damage. The crash serves as a sobering example of how quickly a high-value asset can be transformed from a dream into a total loss through a single moment of lost traction. In summary, a high-speed collision involving a $2.5 million Ford GT resulted in heavy vehicle damage and the hospitalization of 2 people, though rapid emergency response likely mitigated the severity of the injuries.